Um, all right. So, why don't you tell me a little bit about? Okay, do you feel that with age comes wisdom?
I think wisdom comes with experience as well, because if you are getting older, so you are learning from things. You are learning from your mistakes. Like if you're a kid, you are in first standard, and then
Hmm.
you start growing up. You are in eighth, you are in 10th. So your knowledge increasing as well, because you are studying so many things. Your
Hmm.
experience is increasing. So I think, yeah, with the age, your wisdom is also increased.
Okay, okay. With age, your wisdom also increases because you experience new things.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So, um, but then, okay, do you feel, okay, in Indian society, there is this notion that you should respect your elders.
Yes.
Do you think that every elder, like every elderly person, deserves our respect?
No, it depends on their work. In anywhere, in India or in anywhere, if you give respect, if you give respect, then you will take respect. So it's
Okay,
this kind of thing. So, but if we are younger, so we have to respect our elders. But if they are not doing that kind of thing, or they are not treating you well, so why would you respect them? So
right.
it depends upon their work.
Okay, okay. Some people say that age is just a number. Do you think so?
Yeah, I think so. Like age is just a number, because like if we are talking about, if we are doing, so it doesn't matter that you are older or you are younger. You can do that thing at any age. So I think
Okay,
age is just a number.
okay, okay. And all right. So in India, the voting age is 18, right, for
Okay.
males and females. Let's say the election is after 7 days. Okay, after like from now on, 7 days later,
Okay.
like there is votes, and I just turned, let's say, 18 a month ago. Okay.
Okay.
Um, do you think like if I like why is there a voting age according to you? Like, do you think that everybody at the age of 18 becomes mature enough to choose their elected, like elect a representative?
Like if we are talking about psychology, so psychology said after 18 you are much enough to take decision wisely. You are mature at that time. But if someone is like, if we are studying, sorry, we while reaching age 18 we are graduated, so we are studying. Before that we have studied a lot, we have studied about many things. So we are mature enough to identify what is wrong, what is right. So
Okay.
like i- i- so we can vote after that 18.
Okay.
So
So
that's why we have decided age after 18, because they think that everyone is mature after 18. So that's why I think vote is after 18. Everyone can vote after 18.
okay, okay. No, because I do remember some news about. Never mind, never mind. Okay, so do you feel that there is a perfect age?
18
No, I'm asking. Do you feel that there is something like a perfect age to be,
for what?
like to be, uh, like for example, okay, let's say you woke up tomorrow and you could be of any particular age that you wanted.
Okay. Yeah, I
Okay, what
understand.
age should would you choose?
Yeah, understood. I think I uh, I want to be a kid.
Kid. Okay.
Yeah, because
Why?
I think being a kid, you're happier. You don't have to stress too much. Because if we are talking about people at 18 age or above, then so they have stress about their career, their studies. If we are talking about older people, so they have stress about their family. They have to bring their family together. So but if we are talking about kids, so they don't have a stress. Their life is joyful. They are in they are playful and they are playing. So I think being a kid is well. But if you are
Hmm.
taking asking me to, like, what age you should be, so I think 20 to 10 22. I think 22 is good, because after that you start earning, because your
Okay.
graduation is completed. You
Right.
have a career choice, like you're doing something. So I think 22 is good.
22 is good. Okay, okay. So, all right. Have you seen this particular picture on social media that says, as a child, you have energy and you also have time, but you don't have money?
Yeah.
As somebody who's an adolescent or in his 20s or 30s, you
Okay.
have money and you also have energy, but you don't have
But
time.
time.
And when you grow up, like when you are 60 something, you have money, you also have time, but you don't have any
But
energy.
don't have energy. Yes.
Okay, what do you think about that?
Yeah, it's true. I think yeah, it's like what you said is very true because when we are kid, we have time, we have energy, but we don't have money. So yeah. One thing I want to tell you, like when I was kid, so I think yeah, I'm bored up with kid because we don't have money. I want to grow
Hmm.
faster when I was kid.
Hmm.
But now I'm younger, like I'm
Older.
18 plus. Yeah. So I was thinking that being a kid is good.
Hmm.
So I think if I become older, above than 60, so I start missing this 18 teenagers. So
Okay.
yeah, it happens to everybody.
Okay. Okay. So once you grow older, you will miss being a teenager or something.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. All right. So I'll just give you some quick feedback. Okay.
Okay.
As I mentioned, you need to work on your grammar. Your pronunciation is fine, and you're quite expressive. So you are able to express your thoughts more or less fine. Okay. You don't have to worry too much about that. But you need to work a little bit on your grammar, because if you're talking about past, for example, you can't use present tense to talk about that, or the future tense to talk about that. That's just like tenses. Okay. And I'm not saying like learn specifically, like be very particular about past progressive tense or past perfect tense and all that. No, I'm saying if you're supposed to use past, if you're talking about past events, use past tense. If you're talking about present events, use present tense, and if you're talking about future events, use future tense. That's all. And yeah, that's pretty much it.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have any questions that you would like to ask quickly?
No, no.
Okay. Okay. Then let's just call it a night. I guess I'll see you again here.
Okay. Good evening.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Good night. Good night.
Sorry. Good night. Good night. Yeah.
Yeah. Good night. Have a
Good
pleasant
night.
evening ahead.
Okay. Same you. Same.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.